So I found the small tins of the meowscarada. Comes with our lovely meowscarada EX for our Scarlet and Violet promo, as well as a code card. Really. Oh, we got some obsidian flames in here.
2 of them.
2 of them? How do you know?
Alright, look.
Cheater. We got 2 obsidian flames, Silver Tempest, Lost Origin, and we got another 10 fallen.
You got ghosts.
He says to open him because he's got the moon beyond in him. I guess. I don't know. They're supposed to have evolving skies in them. If not, we're gonna cry. Shuckle, Wiglet, Rockruff, Rhyme, Floatsoul, Umbreon, Lapras, Cubchoo, Iskew EX, Full Art, maybe Alt Art, not quite sure. Okay. Obsidian Flames is pretty easy to tell apart, so I don't need to put it in there, but I do need to put our hit and an Obsidian Flame sleeve. So give me a minute for that. Here we go. Like number 2, Obsidian Flames. Shuckle, Wiglet, Rockruff, Rhyme, Lunatube, Dartrix, Unkalone, Eevee Reverse, Cubchoo Reverse, Ante Hollow. So nothing in that Obsidian Flames pack. We got a Silver Tempest. Beldum, Progunk, Solosis, Zubat, Elgium, Dragonair Reverse. Ooh, a Yolan Vulpix V-Star. I don't have that one yet. I don't have the Vulpix V and then the V Rainbow.
Mm-hmm.
Let me put this one in a regular sleeve here because I don't have any Silver Tempest sleeves currently. Need to get some more. So I'm going to put this up with our Silver Tempest pack for now. I'm trying to sort them by set to find out which cards I need in each set still. And which is just extra bulk. So I've Lost Origin, Sudowoodo, Electrike, Love Disc, Gilgar, Wurmple, Powers Reverse. Oh no! We were mine. Lost Origin mined us. At least we opened it at the end. After we opened all the other packs in the tin. So hopefully it won't follow us to our next tin with the Gallade. Who I think is supposed to have Evolving Skies. We will see. It's better because that's why we got it. See, Lost Origins, Brilliant Stars, and 2 Evolving Skies. Okay. Good. Now we're going to put our little Gallade V guy up. And a nice little sleeve. Lost Origin. Please do not mime on us again. Please. I beg of thee. Rhyhorn, Apom, Rosalia, Goomy, Metatype. Ooh, there we go. Roserade. Trainer Galley. This Buffalunt looks... Oh no, it's supposed to be a regular card. It looks like there's something around it. It's interesting.
Interesting.
Right, well, get a Lost Origin sleeve out for this guy.
What is it? What kind of card is it?
It's a Roserade Trainer Gallery.
Oh.
There's a trainer in the background. Okay, Lost Origin number 2. Murkrow, Shuppet, Wurmple, Dynamo, Seedot, Arcfoam Reverse, Cramorant V-Star. So, 1 for 2 for our Lost Origin packs. We only have one Brilliant Star, so hopefully we can hit something in our Brilliant Stars pack. Throw. Shroomish. Piplup. Dirtwig. Sneasel. Roseanne's back up reverse and a King Clang. So nothing in the Brilliant Stars. No Brilliants today. But maybe we're saving the luck for this Evolving Skies Umbreon pack. I hope. And the Umbreon pack have the Moonbreon. There's a chance we got a black code card here. Psyduck, Temple, Woobat, Bagon, Scraggy, Temple Reverse, just a regular hollow. Well, that was kind of like saddening. Thought the Umbreon would help us out more than that. Well, we still got one more chance with our Rayquaza art pack here. Gossifleur, Woobat, Emolga. Ooh, there's something there. Lotad, Rufflet, Swoobat. Oh, we got a Leafeon V. There we go. Got some type of evolution here anyway. Better than nothing. Let me get my Evolving Skies. See, here's the one with the Leafeon on the back. There's a Leafeon V. So there's the Leafeon on the back. Here we go. Evolving Skies came through with the V card for once. It's a good Gallade tin. And we got another Rotom. The Rotom tin. And it's of course with this happy smiling little guy. I think it has the same pack lineup. This is like the same series of tins here. So 2 Lost Origin, Brilliant Stars, 2 Evolving Skies. Let me put this guy up. A nice little sleeve here for our Black Star promo card. And then we're going to start with the Lost Origin again. This has been going well for us, starting with our Lost Origin. So we got the Makuhita, Electrike, Murkrow, Shuppet, Wurmple, Reverse Mr. Mime. Mr. Mime got us. No. We're starting off the tin with the Mr. Mime. No. Come on, Lost Origin. Let's come back. Don't let the Mime take over. We got to resist. Litleo, Ghastly, Ducklet, Zorora, Spinacle, Licky Reverse. Okay, back with the Drapion V. Okay. It didn't get us entirely. Maybe we just got a V star of the Drapion, if I remember correctly.
Mm-hmm.
And now we got the regular V to go with it. Hey, Lost Origin. Here we go. Get it all the way in here. There we go. All right. Brilliant Stars. Let's go. Bring us the Rainbow Charizard or something. Anything, really. Piplup, Turtwig, Sneasel, Clink, Spiritomb, Kabite. Okay, we got a Jumpa V. I did say something. It's something. But, put this in my Brilliant Star sleeve. Remember who this Drumpa fellow goes to, because otherwise I would not remember. Okay, we got Evolving Skies, Rayquaza. Came through from us last time. With our Evolving Skies, Rayquaza. Can it come through again? Oh, well, I hope not, because I just do all the cards down. So it's a good card. It might have got messed up. Hippopotas, Dwebble, Love Disc, Wobbuffet, Shiftry Reverse. Okay. At least I didn't throw down no good card. That just means the good ones must be in the Sylveon pack.
Did it have a hollow in it? No. It had a black code card.
No, it didn't.
Oh, it didn't?
It's white on the back.
Oh, okay.
And Sylveon pack art come through for us. Tentacle, Sarua, Marie, Teddy Ursa, Sableye, Boost Shake. No Sylveon stashes. Luckily, we got 2 more to try.
We'll take a break and do the mystery box.
Okay. Tin break. Guess I'm gonna leave one of these open for our mystery box packs. Okay, let's be something good. Be all evolving skies. Ooh, there is an evolving skies. Here it is. The vivid voltage, silver tempest, chilling rain, and fusion strike. Pretty good lineup there. What was it? 30 bucks?
Yeah.
5 packs. I think about $5 more. But we got an evolving skies, so I think that's worth it. Pay the extra $5 for an evolving skies to be in there. Quillfish, Dynamo, Meowth, Gustflor, Import, Fusion Strike Reverse. Got a Dragapult Hollow. So I guess you can count that as one if you count hollows as hits, because it's not guaranteed in this set. We'll see if we have to count that later. A Chilling Rain. You got a Spiel, Brawler, Goldic, Porygon, Grookey, Peony, Reverse. So nothing really in that one. Silver Tempest, come on now. Need something. Black code card, we got some hope here. Whalmer, Murkrow, Emolga, Meditite, Durant, Ponytail Reverse, Terrakion Hollow. Well, there's something besides a hollow here. No hollows aren't guaranteed in this set, so I guess you technically could say 2 out of 3 at this point, but we want something better. Maybe it's saving it for that Evolving Skies pack at the end. Rockruff, Blitzly, Skiddo, Farrowwood, Daydan, Vampy Reverse, Ninja. It's gotta be saving it for that, because it surely didn't give us nothing else. Evolving Skies. Rayquaza, let's go.
Evolving Skies.
Give us the best pull. The Moonbreon. Vagon. Woobat. And we don't even get a hollow. That's why it's Evolving Cries. Okay, let's get back to one of those tins. It's not so disappointing. Hopefully. We got the Giratina. Where's the Giratina promo that was in here? Oh, there it is. Let's see, someone better not have stole our promo card. That would not start out good. Giratina B, I'm pretty sure is probably Lost Origin related. Lost Origin has the Giratina on the back, so we gotta put it in the Giratina sleeve, obviously. There are 5 packs. I believe at least 2 should be Evolving Skies. 2 Lost Origin, Brilliant Stars, 2 Evolving Skies. We got Umbreon and Sylveon. Maybe that's good luck. I do hope so. Get us one good hitter here. Lost Origin, Mienfoo, Litleo, Ghastly, Ducklett, Aurora, Spectrio Reverse, Kyurem VMAX. Tell you, Lost Origin been coming through with the pulls lately. I'll have to keep pulling out nothing but Lost Origin sleeves. Hopefully soon I can pull out another Evolving Skies sleeve. Alright, number 2 Lost Origin from this tin. Squirvit, Phalanx, Poliwag, Oddish, Rowlet, Adventurer's Discovery for our trainer, and a Snorlax Hollow. So kind of a double whammy on that one. Very nice. Let me get 2 Giratina sleeves out here. That's a Charmander. 1 for our sleeping little Snorlax. And one for our trainer card here. There you go. Alright, Sylveon, gonna get ready. And we got Brilliant Stars. Golett, Castform, Chimchar, Baltoy, Aksu, Castform Reverse, Muck. Oh, that was yuck. Umbreon, let's go Umbreon. Oh, I have that card. Alright, Umbreon, bring us the Moonbreon. We do have a Black Hole card. Gossifleur, Love Disc, Fletchling, Chinchou, Scroll of the Dragon, Sylveon VMAX Alt Art. Wow. I've been wanting this one.